Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Only 4 minutes from the PJ Patterson Highway in the highly sought after New Harbor gated community. This unit may not be available for much longer. It has full perimeter walls, which means that with the rising building material costs, the buyer for this property would not have to spend on fencing. It has a very large yard space, which allows for expansion for income generation. This is a very safe community with rapidly rising property values through rapidly developing towns. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 21.8 million or US $141.6 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.